In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store on Wix Studio. To get started, open the Wix Studio editor for your site. This is where you will build and customize the storefront your visitors will see. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left panel and click the Add Elements icon. From there, select Store, then click Add to Site. After that, give Wix a few moments to do the setup. It will automatically generate the core pages your online store needs, including the category or catalog page, the product page, the cart, and the checkout page. Once those pages are created, head over to your Wix dashboard and open the Store Products tab. This is where you'll begin adding your inventory. Click New Product. Then choose whether you want to create a physical item or a digital one. After that, fill in the product details carefully. Add a clear title. Set the price, upload product images, and write descriptions that help customers understand exactly what you are offering. The more complete and polished this information is, the more professional your store will feel. Next, organize your products into collections. Collections help group similar items together, such as apparel, accessories, or seasonal sales. This makes your store easier to browse and helps products display more effectively across your store pages. Now go back to the Wix Studio editor and open the Pages and Menu panel. From here, click into your store pages, such as the category page or the product page, to adjust the layout. You can customize the typography, spacing, and grid layout directly in the Wix Studio viewport. You can also edit key elements like the Add to Cart buttons and product filters, so the entire shopping experience matches your brand style. Take your time here because design consistency can make a big difference in how polished and trustworthy your store looks. After the design is in place, move to the Settings tab in your site dashboard. Click Accept Payments to connect a secure payment gateway, such as Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Then, in Settings, click Tax and select your country and state so your regional tax setup is configured correctly. You will also need to set up your shipping rules so customers can complete their purchases without issues during checkout. Once everything is set and your design is finalized, click the Publish button in the top right corner of Wix Studio to make your store live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.